boom, so man's heading back to 14 Parish. Gonna see if man can go and grab this loaded patty. Man circled round Brixton, grabbed some more patties from the other shop. Man grabbed the juice and all them things there, bro's got the juice and all that. So we're gonna see, I don't know if it's been an hour yet, but we're gonna see if it's ready, people. But that's not a bad, and that's not even bad, people, before people try and say I'm trying to listen, if something's gone viral, of course they might not have it at the time. Bro, don't think that, but it is what it is. And boom, man's finally got the loaded mutton, man finally got that loaded patty, rude boy. Man had to wait a little bit of time, but man's gonna take this home and try it and see what it's saying and that. What's going on, sister? Yeah. Shout out the lady in green. That's why you can't take your bro anywhere, yeah? So man took bro to Brixton to grab some patties and that. Look what bro's got. Bro's got like 4 patties here. He's got a loaded patty in there with cocoa bread. Yeah. Some sun fried drinks there. What's in the other bag? More patties in that bag. What you got in there?
I got some bun up in there.
Man's got some bun up in there with some cheese, and he's got one of them drink there. Jesus Christ. And look what I got, people. I'm the tightest person in the world, yeah. All I got is literally a loaded patty in there, yeah. Oh shit. All I got is a loaded patty in there, and in my back pocket, I got another patty, get me? And a bottle of water. Man's tight, but I wanted some wings, but I couldn't find none. Alright, so boom, yeah, that's the last, the end of that one there, where we got as much food as we can do, put the content together, see how it goes. If you can hear me, you can hear me. If you can't, you can't. But yeah, end of that one. Alright, so boom, man's got the loaded patty and all them things there, boy. Man's gonna try this thing, see how we get one. When I say to you, this is heavyweight, bro. Look at the input piece. So man's got the patty now, yeah. Just gonna try this now. I'm gonna take a big, this is big, rude boy. Let's see. Yeah, blood. Try it. Nice. Oh, the plant. I didn't even know I had plantain in there. Yeah, man, it's decent still.
You say you buy it again?
For £13 now, man. but if you put it in that perspective, it's like buying a whole meal in it. Like,
no, true.
The size of this, like, this is big still.
It's filling still.
It's filling.
I've already had one on mine too.
Oxtail's like butter. The thing is, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I can't taste everything because there's too much going on there, man. So all I can say, yeah.
It tastes like a Sunday dinner and a patty.
Yeah.
Minus the rice and peas.
But it's nice though. Can't complain about it. Boom. That one damn. I'm not even gonna lie, yeah, I'm getting full up here. Man just pulling pure big chunks of oxtail out of there. So I don't know if you look at this one, but my one's chunky, blood. I'm pretty much with the oxtail in there. Like I said, I can't say it's banging though, but it's just nice. Same with what bro was saying there. It's like eating a whole dinner, innit? I'm one of them fussy eaters. I like my food all separated. I like my rice and peas that side, the curry half on the rice and half off the rice, and the coastal not touching nothing but just the rice and the edge of the curry. So that's a lot going on. The plantain's nice. It's all nice though. Can't really taste nothing too bang on the oxtail though. It's nice, but it don't taste like oxtail. You know you have oxtail and rice and peas or oxtail and white rice? That's the big question though. How do you like your oxtail, with white rice or with rice and peas? Yeah, it's nice, man. You know what, yeah? If it has Scotch bonnets or some sort of heat spice in there, this will be levels, yeah? But it's just alright. Mac and cheese in there, plantain. I can't really taste nothing. There's too much going on in there for me, I'm being honest. I ain't gonna lie. Go and try it though, innit? Yeah, man, that's loaded still. That is loaded.